Okay. That's the thing, right? You don't have kids. If you want to go outside, you just go outside. With kids, it's never that simple. Basically, we had to make sure that they use the bathroom. We have extra clothes for them. The other smallest baby's fed. We have extra clothes for him. We have enough food for everybody. We have snacks. We have their toys. They have their backpacks. And I got to make sure that these car seats are in. And that's just like 10% of what I mentioned.
Never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.
So this is the way to the actual rattlesnake point. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, so we're trying to figure out which one to take. Ideally, we'd like to take this one, but with the kids leaning on that one, but we're feeling a little risky, so we're gonna take the middle one. It's a good middle ground. That one goes.
Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces. We don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves. Can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels won't stop turning.
Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Hiking with Kids. And today, we're gonna show step one. Make sure you go into the hike with the same amount of people that... There's only one rule to this whole game. Have the same amount of people you enter the forest with as when you leave the forest. So that's it. And I think we're doing a stellar job so far.
Those are dinosaurs and they're leaving a trail of bones.
They're leaving a trail of bones?
Huh, that's where dinosaurs do.
Walking.
And father, my dino both dino teams.
Yeah? Okay, so one thing I've been absolutely loving about this whole camera and this whole setup is how small and light it is, and the fact that you can do so much on it, like 4K 120, 10-bit 422, and like it's just crazy. So my journey with these cameras has been actually quite hilarious. I started off with a Canon, I went to Sony, then I went to Panasonic, then I went back to Sony, then I switched over to EOS R Canon, and now I'm on this guy. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Honestly, there's a lot of cameras that came out. Like, it's actually ridiculous how many options we have right now, and that's why it's so tough to make a decision. But so far, I'm actually really liking this. One of the main reasons I switched over from the A7 III to the EOS R was this flippy screen. Absolutely love it. Thank God Sony put them in their cameras now. But yeah.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
My tummy's grumbling more.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Get them.
Okay, go.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Let's go, Hamza.
It's you and I, the future.
I need you to keep moving, buddy. What does it say, Maria? It says to go, which way do we go? Yellow? Yellow path? Okay, and which is? Where? Where does it point?
Up.
Do we have to go up? Up to the tree?
Not up. It says go up over there.
That's right, that's right. You got it. Let's go, guys. Come on, lead the way.
That says water.
Realize this. What's wrong with this? So I was basically going to take the camera upstairs to the room to let you guys know what my thoughts are on the camera, just first impressions. But instead I thought, you know what? This is probably one of the last few days we're going to be out here before, you know, like before everything is going like red. All the leaves are falling, winter's coming, so might as well make use of this. Hold up. About to rain. Oh. A little closer. Okay, let's talk. So now that I've had like a full day of filming on it, but generally from a first impressions usability standpoint, I absolutely love this camera. I moved away from the Sony A7 III for several reasons, and I feel like this camera has literally answered everything and more. Now, how the footage looks, and all of that stuff, that's to come. But one of the reasons I even went to the EOS R was because of the usability, like how the camera felt in your hands, like the grip, the menu systems, and all of that stuff, like the ergonomics, and just generally the user experience. I feel like Sony has really hit it out of the park on this one with this camera. I love the menu systems. I love the bigger grip on it. It feels so much better in my hands. I absolutely love the flippy screen. And did I mention I love the flip out screen? Another thing I can't get over is how small it actually feels. Like, for how much it can do, the actual size of it is really nice. Now, I'll be honest, when I was actually on my walkabout with the family earlier today, I did miss having another photo camera. Now, I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, Tausif, this thing takes really good photos. All you need is 12 megapixels for like social media and all that stuff. And I know Patrick Tommaso is probably gonna be on my case after watching this, but I kinda want a better photo camera, and that's one thing that kind of irks me about this, but I guess you can't have everything. Now, my initial idea was to get the A7C and use that as the photo camera, and then this as my actual video camera, and I think that's a stellar combo because the A7C is really small, compact, you can take it around with you. It also has nice looks. I mean, I'm a sucker for looks, a marketer's dream right here, folks, but we'll see about that. I'm not sure yet though. So the thing that keeps me on my heels and keeps me still thinking is the C70. The C70 looks really good. And I know you guys are gonna be screaming at me in the comments saying, oh, they're not competitors to see, and I'll probably get a couple text messages as well from people, but all right, so that's pretty much it from my end. Honestly, this is such a mind boggler because I really did not want to like this camera as much as I do, just because I have the RF lens system already, and the C70 looked really nice. Or I don't even know if I should just get the R5. Apparently the overheating issues are pretty much gone now for their regular use case. So I don't know. Okay, so on that note, thank you so much guys for joining in. I hope you found this video entertaining, beneficial, and helpful, and you were able to see some A7S III footage. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you appreciate how much money I'm spending unnecessarily on camera gear, then make sure you guys go ahead and crush that like button. And if you like content around tech, gadgets, filmmaking, and lifestyle, then make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And as usual, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Like crazy amount of quality footage, like
Crazy, just crazy.
okay. Oh, yeah, my neighbors are outside, so they're probably wondering, why does this guy have like a table and chair? I just moved into this house too. Okay guys, so everyone's been raving about this whole low light capabilities. Let's see what is going on here. Okay, so this is basically what I see right now. I'm gonna start cranking the ISO up. I'm at 4,000 now. 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 16,000, 20,000. Damn, yo, this is actually not bad. Holy. Oh my God. Guys, this is insane. Okay, I take that back. You can actually see the leaves falling. That's not at all creepy. I feel like this is like, it's like daylight.